Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad throttle body gasket and it's time to replace it? This part here is the throttle body gasket, and it is going to be located behind the throttle body. And also the throttle body is going to be mounted directly on the intake manifold. There are three types of throttle body gasket. It is going to be made of either paper, rubber, or metal. The first sign of a bad throttle body gasket is going to be vacuum leak. When the throttle body gasket is bad, you're going to notice a small hissing noise coming from the throttle body area. When there's a vacuum leak, it will trigger codes such as P0300, which is going to be random misfire, and also you'll get lean code such as P0171. When throttle body gasket is bad, it can affect idle. It will cause low idle, it will cause erratic idle, it can cause the engine to stall, and it can affect engine performance at low speed and at idle. The reason why a bad throttle body gasket is affecting the engine at low speed or at idle is because when that throttle body gasket is bad, it is allowing unmetered air to enter the engine. When that throttle body gasket is bad, it can affect other components such as the map sensor, if that map sensor is mounted directly on the throttle body, or it can affect the mass airflow sensor, which is going to be located directly on the intake. So again, if unmetered air is entering through the throttle body gasket, the map sensor or the mass airflow sensor cannot get a proper reading again. The quickest way to check for a bad throttle body gasket is to use carburetor cleaner. When the engine is running, spray the carburetor cleaner around the throttle body gasket area, and if you hear a change in RPM, that's how you know there's going to be a leak at the throttle body gasket area. When replacing the throttle body gasket, make sure to use a gasket scraper or a razor blade, and make sure to scrape out all the gasket out of there, and make sure the mating surface is flat. Also, when the throttle body is out, it is a perfect time to use carburetor cleaner to clean out all the carbon buildup on the throttle body and also on the inside of the ports in this area. Here is a close-up view of the throttle body and the port. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup on it, and there's oil on it caused by oil vapor. Also, if you look on the inside, you can see there's a lot of oil in there, again caused by oil vapor. So again, I suggest using carburetor cleaner and throttle body cleaner to clean out the inside as well. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.